So how are you guys? You are watching to the different multiple crafts. You are watching pine cone craft different color. You are watching another pine cone craft tower Christmas tree like different colors. You are watching other craft handmade with wood making. You are watching pine cone and wood combination heart shape. You are watching small plant pot. You are watching multiple things are uh, mixed. You are watching a cycle tire and handle front. You are watching uh, unique uh, piece of. You are watching old shoes uh, on paste buttons. You are watching two old cups made decorate with craft. You are watching a giraffe model make with woods. You are watching two Mickey Mouses models with wood. You are watching small heart shaped sticks. You are watching the figure of 60 made with the candies. You are watching the dolls made with the flowers. Now you are watching the small baboons models. You are watching a tree decorating with the paint and shape. You are watching small pieces of wood, the shape. You are watching kids craft. The kids are making the craft. You are watching the wind chime, wall hanging, door hanging. You are watching a bottle stand and some crafts. You are watching the kitty faces, different shapes painted. You are watching the art frame. You are watching a house model, beautiful, colorful. You are watching some frames painted in house. You are watching a tree, colorful flower tree. You are watching the bottle paint with the scenery. You are watching the kitty faces model handcraft. You are watching a tower, um, different houses. You are watching a model of houses.